Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through how to create a professional-looking expense report using Google Sheets. Whether you need to keep tabs on your business spending, organize your personal finances, or prepare a tidy summary to share with your boss by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized expense report that makes managing and presenting expenses a total breeze. So let's jump right in and get started. First, open up your browser and head over to the main Google Sheets page. If you haven't used Google Sheets before, all you need is a free Google account, and don't worry, you don't need to be a spreadsheet expert for this. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice something called the template gallery right at the top. Go ahead and give that a click. The template gallery is like a treasure chest of ready-made spreadsheet designs, and it saves a ton of time since you don't have to build your report from scratch. Next, just scroll down a bit and you'll see a bunch of different templates for various uses. Hover beneath the categories until you spot the expense report template. With a single click, this template will open up in your Google Sheets, fully formatted and ready for your details. This pre-built template is designed to do most of the heavy lifting for you. It already contains the structure you need, so you can focus on adding your own expenses and not on wrestling with formulas and cell borders. Now let's start personalizing. At the top of your expense report, you'll see sections for your company name, your own name, date, employee ID, and department. Take your time to fill out these fields thoughtfully. For example, if you're submitting this for a business reimbursement, having all this information accurate and neatly filled in not only looks professional, it makes the process smoother for whoever needs to review your report. Maybe you're making this for your own records, that's totally fine too. Adding your details now might seem simple, but it'll make finding and referencing this report much easier down the road. Moving on to the main table, this is where the magic happens, tracking each individual expense. You'll see columns for the date, category, description, notes, and amount. Here, where you want to be as clear and specific as possible. Let's say you grabbed lunch with a client, enter the date, pick the meal's category, perhaps write lunch meeting with client Smith in the description and jot a quick note if needed. Don't forget the amount. If you're unsure which category an expense fits, just do your best. Clarity is key. And if a note helps, like paid in cash or split with co-op, that context can be a lifesaver later. Take your time as you enter your expenses. This step can feel a bit tedious if you have a long list, but trust me, going slow and double-checking your details will save a lot of headaches when it comes to approvals or tax season. And if you make a mistake, no worries, that's the beauty of Google Sheets. You can edit anything, anytime. Once you've listed all your expenses, scroll to the bottom of the sheet. You'll spot sections for your signature and the date, which makes your document feel official and polished, especially important if you plan to submit this to HR, your manager, or accounting. Finally, don't be afraid to make it your own. The template Google provides is just a starting point. If you want to change up the colors, add your company logo, or insert an extra column for receipts, go for it. Customizing your report helps you stay organized your way, and who knows, your unique spin might become the office standard. Alright, that's it. Now you've got a complete, professional-looking expense report tailored to your needs right in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need more tips on customizing your report, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.